and welcome back to Sunday Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories, and I'm here guys sikhuluma ke nge-homecoming. Ushone kanjalo bakithi uSifiso emva ukuthi ehambile wayosukela uShobane eyolula indaba kaZethu. uZethu ongasamfuni ke uSifiso ulahlekelwe yikona konke kade nakho, walahlekelwa unkosikazi wakhe, uMamkwanyana walahlekelwa uZethu, walahlekelwa nje into eziningi. So guys, he couldn't take it, so wakonfronta ke uShobane, wahamba ke waya khona, wafika wamuthi ngesibhakela emva kalokho uShobane ke as a self defense wathatha umbese ke wambhokoda ngombese ke washona kanjalo, futhi nje bekuyinxebe elilodwa. So ama comment abantu ke la inkundleni zokuxhumana athi ke and angalinge nje aboshwe uShobane, as much I like uSifiso but he was wrong, uzofaka umntana abantu enkingeni nje. Mina bese engidina shame self defense kuShobane. uSifiso ufulathelwa amadlozi, never destroy indumbe, ulinde izinto zikuhambele kahle. Hawu kodwa Zethu uxegelwa isimilo kwakho. Zethu uqhatha amadoda yeyilolo nokiloyi. Wasethi ke omunye ke ukade ke esayida ke naye ke uShobane wathi this is a person that has been hurt. He gave everything for uZethu. He betrayed his marriage for Zethu to just give up like that. Yes, he is wrong to fight Shobane, but uShobane as a person, he will have the same for a person that he loves. He will do the same for the person amthandayo. Mina I don't blame uSifiso, he is hurt. Self-defense, if he gets a good lawyer, he won't even spend a night. Walkers mabechika amathezas uSifiso noma ke uShobane uzoboshwa, kodwa ke uzophuma ke ngebail, and bathi ke he will struggle ngeguilty ukuthi ke ubulela umuntu, as much as azi kahle ukuthi ke it was a self defense. Bathi ke uZethu naye ke uzoba nawancane ke i-trauma, but ke na she will move on because uShobane ukhona, and ke ngapha uMamkwayana naye bathi ke naye ke uthi ke uzoziphindiselela lapha na ke kumuntu ke obuleleke umnyeni wakhe. uMamkwayana akadli imali, uSifiso bekade eyiphoyisa, adli imali ahlale phansi aphole. Imhluphile bakithi leya ndoda. Bese kuthiwa guys uZethu cha uzogcina impela ke umshado ke wakhe noShobane ube khona, but akafunwa umuntu ke lapha ya umama kaShobane akamfuni uZethu, so nje impilo isazoba nzima ke nakuyena. So today guys, it's a new season 2. izolo kade kuphela ke useason 1. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.